Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget channel. Today we will unbox, test and review Teckin SP10 Smart Socket. Even when you are not at home, you can control the power on and off via Smart Life app, as long as there is a 2.4G network. Ideal for someone who cannot move around very well and needs easy access to control a device. This device has a voice control, pair with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your home with the power of your voice. No hub required. The Smart Plug SP10N works with 2.4G Wi-Fi router without the need for a separate hub or paid subscription service. You can also set automatic daily timers or create on/off so that your devices can turn on and off on their own. Teckin Smart Plug can help you control your home appliances, eliminate wasteful standby power and reduce energy use, save on your electric bills and extend product life. Easy installation. Simply plug Teckin mini outlet into an electrical outlet, connect a device to the smart plug, and wirelessly control your device using a tablet or phone. A secured 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is required. So make your life easy and your home smart with this smart plug from Teckin. Check links at the description below and buy it now.